Hi, look. So to add the keywords to a specific campaign, so what you need to do is to click on the campaign you want to add keywords on first. So when you click on it, you would notice it's showing here as campaign search ad only. This means you are on this particular campaign, right? So the next thing you need to do is to click on this. Sometimes it might be the drop down might be closed, so you open the drop down, then you click on search keywords. So when you click on search keywords, it shows you all the keywords that are on this particular campaign, right? So once you see all the keywords on this particular campaign, the next thing to do is to click on this plus sign. So once you click on this plus sign, it tells you to select an ad group. So because you could have multiple ad groups under one campaign, but for this particular one, we have just one ad group. So you click on the ad group, then you add in the keywords you would like to put in the ad. So you all need to do is to enter them, or if you have them copied somewhere, just paste them one per line. So new keyword, then I'll go to the next line, new keyword 2. Then you might see some suggestions on this left on this panel here, so you can easily select anyone you feel resonates with your business. For example, we have electrician near me open now, so let's say I want to add this here. Then I have let's see again. So yes, once you select in the keywords 24/7 electrician near me, I select this as well. Then let's remove this. Then what you can do is you add them. So once you select them, all you need to do is to save. Then it's automatically added to the campaign. You can see it here showing as under preview. So once you are done, you can exit this screen by clicking on all campaigns here. You click on all campaigns. Now you are back to all campaigns. Then you click on campaigns on this left panel, so you would see your campaigns, right? So after this, you could sorry about that, you could also go to the second ad, which is the search call only. You select it, then you also click on search keywords. So once you click on search keywords, you do the same step. You can see search call only is the only one selected here. You click on the plus sign, then it asks you to select an ad group. For this campaign, you can select any ad group you want. You select an ad group, then you put the keywords in here as well, right? Once you put the keywords here, then you click on save. Same process. So once you are done, you can close and click on all campaigns to go back to the default view to see all your campaigns, right? Thank you.